Well, hello everybody. Michael Diederich here. I'm just a poor boy. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back, as the case may be. For those of you that have been following my channel, you know that last month I hit a wall, had some disappointment, was feeling uninspired, and luckily this week the inspiration hit me again, not only because I have to get this big commission done for one of my dearest friends, but fortunately, when I was in a second-hand store, I saw something and I went, oh, hey, I know what I'm going to do. And I came home and I did my first 2 pours, and this was a couple days ago, and I'm super excited. The problem is right now, I've got lots of video material, but I don't have any completed videos yet. So I'm thinking I may split up some of these videos into 2 parts, just so I can get some stuff out there for you guys, because I feel bad that, except for the Musical Mondays, that I'm not generating the content that I have consistently been doing in the past. But I've been watching my subscriber numbers edge up. This morning it was 5 a.m. when I finished preparing everything. I was like, oh, I'm tired, it's time to go to bed. And I came downstairs, and before I went to bed, I hit that refresh button, and yes, 300 subscribers. So I'm super, super happy. Thank you to all my long-term loyal subscribers. Thank you for number 300, whoever you are. Welcome to my channel. So I was in a second-hand store, and I saw some old LPs, and I was like, oh yeah, I've seen online people turning those into clocks. That would be a great idea. Oh, I would love to do that. So I bought some cheap LPs, and I've actually poured 2 of those LPs. I filmed that. They are drying and ready for resin, and I've ordered the clock mechanism and the numbers for the face, and that's all coming. So I'm thinking about editing that first part and doing part 1. I'm calling it, what time it is? It's pour o'clock. So like 4 o'clock, but also pour a clock. I'm like going, oh, clever. You're probably going, oh, that's a terrible dad joke. I had extra paint after that. And these colors I put together from my friend Seville, who at Christmas time, she was like, oh, I want to do something with 2 blues, 2 greens, and a silver. And I was like, great, I'll put that palette together. So I poured 2 vases with the extra paint, and they turned out great as well. But again, they're drying and need to be resined, so maybe I'll do a 2-part on that as well. I had done some Christmas ornaments, but they didn't turn out as well as I'd like, and I don't think it's worth the video. I have that material, but I think once I've done this big commission, I'll go back and I'll touch those up. I'll fix those baubles and finish that. But the big news is my friend Gina, her big commission. I filmed several parts of that video, including preparing the canvas, which is a very funny video, and you'll see why. I also did a small part where I showed all of the colors, and last night I was mixing. I just did a minor section where I showed all the mix, and I'm super excited. I just wanted to finish this video up, get it online, and then go up and do this pour. I'm super excited. It's also officially been 2 weeks since Musical Monday, so today would be Musical Monday, and I'm hoping if I get this pour done and everything goes well, I can still edit a video together. So don't give up hope. I'm back in business. Things are coming, but I wanted to get this video out here to say thank you for 300 subscribers. I'm not going to do my next contest or giveaway until I get to 500, but that will be a big contest. I'm going to end this video. I'm going up to the studio, and I'm going to get this pour done. I'm super excited. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time. My name is Michael Diederich. I'm just a poor boy. See you soon.